Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlink or disconnect your Facebook account from your Instagram account. So let's go to Instagram first. Now click on bottom right corner your profile icon. Now click again top right corner three dash icon on settings and privacy. Now go account center. Now scroll down and very bottom you'll find accounts. Click on this. Now you can see here two profile, one Facebook profile, one Instagram profile. So if you want to unlink your Facebook from Instagram, click on remove, or if you want to unlink from Instagram to Facebook, click on just remove once and you will find this window. Here you can see here the first option, remove account. Click on this. If you click on continue, the blue button, your account will be unlinked or disconnected. Okay, sometimes it may ask for your Instagram or Facebook password while you are trying to unlink this. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.